Can I use a regular cake mix or do I need a special type of cake mix for toaster oven baking?
Hello everyone. Today we're tackling a delicious topic, baking cakes. And not just in a conventional oven, but in a toaster oven. A common question that many of us have is, can I use a regular cake mix or do I need a special type of cake mix for toaster oven baking? So, let's get baking and find out.
What is a toaster oven?
First off, let's get to know our kitchen appliances a little better. A toaster oven is a small, compact appliance that can perform most of the functions of a regular oven but on a smaller scale. It's perfect for small batches, reheating, and yes, even for baking cakes.
Can I use regular cake mix?
Here's the good news. You can absolutely use a regular cake mix for toaster oven baking. There's no need for a special cake mix. However, because a toaster oven is smaller than a conventional oven, there are a few important adjustments you need to keep in mind.
What adjustments do I need to make?
The most critical adjustments when baking in a toaster oven involve the pan size, the baking time, and the temperature. Pan size. Toaster ovens are smaller than conventional ovens, so make sure to use a pan that fits comfortably in your toaster oven without touching the sides or top. Mini loaf pans, muffin tins, or small round cake pans often work well. Baking time. You may need to adjust the baking time slightly. Start checking the cake for doneness a little earlier than the time suggested on the box. Temperature. While the baking temperature will typically remain the same, it's important to note that toaster ovens can sometimes heat up more quickly than conventional ovens. Therefore, keep a close eye on your cake to avoid overbaking. Using an oven thermometer can help ensure accuracy. In conclusion, toaster oven baking is indeed a possibility, even for those delicious cakes. You can use your regular cake mix without a hitch. Just remember to adjust the pan size, baking time, and monitor the temperature carefully. Now you're equipped with all the knowledge you need to bake a cake in a toaster oven. Happy baking!